Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best tabletop propane grill. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss tabletop propane grills which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Royal Gourmet Tabletop Grill. Founded in 2014, Royal Gourmet is an American brand that manufactures high-quality grills and smokers, including the Royal Gourmet 22-inch tabletop grill. The flat-top grill surface measures 17.6 x 13.5 inches, offering you 238 square inches of cooking space. As such, you can cook almost 11 patties at one time. The 22-pound compact griddle is ideal for small picnics, camping trips, and even fits perfectly on your porch. Besides this, the grill comes with two ring-shaped stainless steel burners that each offers 8,500 BTU of heat. Since they both have separate controls, you get two independent heating zones on the flat grill. Along with this, the tabletop grill has a very durable construction. While the control panel has a stainless steel body, the griddle top is porcelain coated for protection and easy cleanup. You can just wipe it down with a paper towel after each cook. Moreover, the grill comes with a convenient large side grease cup to collect the extra grease while cooking. A piezo ignition system, on the other hand, helps to start the grill in no time. About this item. Adjustable burner, 3 separately controlled burners with 9,000 BTU each, up to 27,000 BTU cooking power and achieve even heat distribution fast. 316 square inches, detachable porcelain enameled flat top offers 316 SQ. In. The cooking area measured 23.6 liters x 13.4 watts and 3.5 millimeters thickness. 15 patties can be cooked altogether at once. Pros. Portable and durable design. Fast piezo ignition system. 2 independent cooking zones. Non-stick griddle surface. Large side grease cup. Number 2. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. Established in 1952, Weber is a privately owned American brand that invented the world's first kettle grill. Now, it manufactures multiple high-quality grills, including the Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. One of the best tabletop propane grills, the Q1200 has a cast aluminum body and a stainless steel burner for improved durability. Moreover, its porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates and glass-reinforced nylon frame offer further protection. With dimensions of 15.5 x 40.9 x 16.5 inches, the compact, portable grill is perfect for traveling, camping, and picnics. It offers 189 square inches of cooking capacity and a swinging lid to keep the smoker's heat. Besides this, you get a convenient removable grease pan to catch the leftover grease from the grill and 2 sturdy fold-out side tables to keep your tools or food close by. Apart from all this, the Q1200 grill comes with large ergonomic handles to carry the grill with ease too. A large control knob and an integrated lid thermometer, on the other hand, allow you to maintain precise temperatures. Furthermore, a smart electrical ignition system helps you to start the grill faster. Pros. Easy to clean. Built-in thermometer. Electronic ignition. Heats up fast. Durable construction. Folding tables to hold utensils. Number 3. Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Tabletop Grill has a compact, lightweight design, allowing you to travel with it in your RV, fit it in your car trunk, or use it on your balcony. It weighs just 13.5 pounds and measures 12.8 x 18 x 12 inches in dimension. Apart from this, it has sturdy fold-away aluminum legs that safely place the grill on any terrain. As such, you can set up the grill in a matter of seconds. Meanwhile, the grill includes a swinging lid with a secure lock and a briefcase-style handle to carry the grill with ease. The portable grill offers about 145 square inches of cooking space, which is sufficient to cook 8 steaks, 8 burgers, or even 4 pounds of fish. For heating, Cuisinart has used powerful stainless steel burners that provide 5,500 BTU of heat to the grill. Overall, the small-sized grill is much more energy efficient than most grills too. Its cooking grates are dishwasher safe and even include a smart twist start ignition for stress-free cooking. About this item. Portable gas grill with 145 square inch grilling area and fold-away legs. Cooks 8 burgers, 8 steaks, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or 4 pounds of fish. powerful 5500 BTU stainless steel burner, and even heating porcelain enameled grate. Aluminum legs and stabilizing feet set up in seconds. Integrated lid lock keeps lid secure. Pronounced briefcase-style carrying handle. Weighs 13.5 pounds. Pros: compact design. Lightweight. Twist-start ignition. Fold-away sturdy legs. Energy efficient. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. If the weather's not playing ball, you still want to grill, but have no outdoor cover, then an indoor tabletop grill is your only option. And that's where this Hamilton Beach Indoor Tabletop Grill comes in. With 150 square inches of cooking space, this grill is easily enough to cook a full meal for 2, or steak, burgers or hot dogs for 4 to 6. It has a top temperature of 450 degrees, enough to sear off steaks, achieving a great, flavorful Maillard crust, while also being adjustable to cook foods at far lower temperatures too. It comes with a that presses down on cooking foods and helps to seal in some heat, but it doesn't actually provide any heat itself. It does not cook from above like a sandwich press, for example, even though it looks as though it does or should. So you do have to turn the food mid-cook. On the right side of the grill are some red and green light indicators that let you know when it's switched on and when it's come up to cooking temperature. The removable cooking grid leaves lovely grill marks on food while allowing grease and drippings to fall through into an extra large drip tray for easy removal. One of the best features of this indoor grill is the ease with which you can clean it. The hood, drip tray, and cooking grate are all easily removable and dishwasher safe. This is great because when things are easy to clean, you are more likely to make more use of them. Pros: good temperature range for low temp cooking and high heat searing. Indicator lights for temp remove the guesswork. Easy cleaning with dishwasher safe components. Number 5. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. Can't decide between a freestanding or tabletop grill? Not sure if you want a grill, griddle, or combo? Luckily, with the Coleman RoadTrip 285 stand-up propane grill, you don't have to choose. This versatile portable grill has a large number of features, allowing it to be used in a wide variety of situations. The RoadTrip grill has 285 square inches of cooking space on its porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which sit over 3 burners that you can control separately. The grill produces up to 20,000 BTU per hour, and you can buy interchangeable cooktops, not included, that allow you to swap out the grill grates for griddles or stove grates. This handy portable grill also has 2 sliding side tables, an Instastart ignition, and a built-in thermometer, but the best part is arguably its quick fold design, which folds flat, allowing you to tow it behind you on its wheels. About this item: grilling power, up to 20,000 total BTUs. 3 adjustable burners with improved burner technology for more precise temperature control. Large grilling area, 285 inches. Easy setup, sturdy quick fold legs and wheels. Thermometer, integrated design for accurate temperature monitoring. Push button ignition for matchless lighting. Fuel, 116.4 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately. 3-year limited warranty. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products link.